Welcome, animal adventurers, to a journey into the wild and wonderful world of animal movement. Our planet is home to countless creatures, each with unique ways of getting around. From soaring through the sky to burrowing deep underground, animals have mastered every kind of locomotion imaginable. But today we're not focusing on the usual running, jumping, or flying. We're diving deep into the truly bizarre and unconventional walking styles that defy what you might expect. Get ready to meet some of the animal kingdom's most peculiar movers and shakers. These amazing creatures show us that there's no single right way to walk. They've developed incredible adaptations that help them survive and thrive in their environments. We'll explore everything from hilarious waddles to mysterious sidesteps and even super slow crawls. Prepare to be amazed by animals that move in ways you never thought possible. Their unique gaits are not just funny or strange, they are perfect examples of nature's incredible ingenuity. Let's discover the secrets behind these truly weird walking styles. First up, let's talk about the undisputed champions of the waddle, penguins. These adorable birds are instantly recognizable by their distinctive side-to-side shuffle on land. It's a movement that always brings a smile to our faces. Penguins have short legs and a very streamlined body shape, which is actually perfect for their main activity. Their bodies are built for speed and agility in the water, making them incredible swimmers and divers. They glide through the ocean with amazing grace. However, this super efficient swimming design makes walking on land a bit of a challenge. Their legs are set far back on their bodies, which helps with propulsion in water, but makes them stand upright and a little off balance on solid ground. So how do they manage? They waddle. This comical rocking motion helps them shift their weight from side to side, preventing them from toppling over. It's like they're constantly catching themselves as they take each tiny step. The waddle isn't just for balance. It's also a clever way to save energy. By swaying their bodies, penguins use gravity to help them move forward, reducing the effort needed from their leg muscles. This is especially helpful when they're trekking long distances. Imagine trying to walk across slippery ice or snow with short legs. The waddle helps penguins maintain their grip and stability on these tricky terrains. It's a brilliant adaptation that allows them to navigate their icy homes with surprising efficiency. Now let's scuttle over to our next peculiar mover, the crab. If you've ever watched a crab on the beach, you'll notice something very unique about its movement. They don't walk forward or backward like most animals. They move almost exclusively sideways. This sideways gait is not just a quirky habit, it's a direct result of their amazing body structure. Crabs have a wide, flat body, and their legs are specifically positioned to bend and move most effectively in a lateral direction. It's how they're built. Their legs are jointed in a way that makes it much easier to push off to the side rather than straight ahead. This unique arrangement allows them to move quickly and efficiently across various surfaces, from sandy beaches to rocky shores. Moving sideways also helps crabs explore their environment in a very effective way. They can quickly scan their surroundings as they scuttle along, keeping an eye out for both food and potential dangers. It's a great way to multitask. And when danger does appear, that sideways scuttle becomes a super fast escape route. Crabs can dart into crevices or burrows with incredible speed, disappearing from sight in a flash. Their unique movement is perfect for quick retreats. So the crab's sideways walk is far more than just odd. It's a key adaptation for survival. It allows them to navigate their world, find food, and escape predators with remarkable agility. It's a perfect example of how form follows function in nature. When you think of kangaroos, you probably picture them bounding across the Australian outback with powerful leaps. Their incredible hopping ability is certainly their most famous way of getting around, covering vast distances with ease. But did you know that kangaroos have a secret weapon for walking slowly? It's their amazing tail. While it looks like just a balancing tool, their tail is actually used as a fifth limb when they're not hopping at full speed. When a kangaroo wants to move slowly, perhaps while grazing or just exploring, it leans forward and uses its strong, muscular tail to support its weight. It's like having an extra leg to help them balance and push off the ground. This tail-assisted walk is truly fascinating to watch. The kangaroo places its tail on the ground, then lifts its 2 front legs, followed by its 2 powerful hind legs. It's a slow, deliberate, and very stable way to move. Using their tail in this way provides crucial support during locomotion, especially when they're not in a hurry. It helps them maintain stability and control, particularly on uneven terrain or when they need to be precise with their movements. And here's the clever part. This tail walking method allows for significant energy conservation. Hopping is very energy intensive, so using their tail for slower movements helps kangaroos save their strength for when they really need to make a quick getaway or cover long distances. Now, let's talk about an animal that is a true master of the sky, the bat. These incredible creatures are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, soaring through the night with incredible agility and precision. They are aerial acrobats. However, while bats are undisputed champions of the air, their movement on the ground is a completely different story. If you ever see a bat trying to walk or crawl, you'll notice it looks surprisingly awkward and clumsy. It's quite a contrast. Their wings, which are essentially modified forelimbs, are perfectly designed for flight. They are long, thin, and covered in a delicate membrane, allowing bats to maneuver with incredible skill in the air. This design is optimized for aerial life, but this amazing wing design isn't great for walking. When bats land, their wings fold up, and they have to use their small, weak legs and folded wings to push themselves along. It results in a kind of shuffling, crawling motion that looks very ungainly. Some bats can shuffle along a surface, using their thumbs and feet to grip and pull themselves forward. Others might even use their wing joints to help them crawl. It's a slow, laborious process compared to their effortless flight. This stark contrast between their aerial prowess and their terrestrial struggles really highlights how specialized animals can be. Bats are built for the sky, and while they can get around on the ground, it's definitely not their preferred or most efficient way to travel. Finally, let's meet an animal that truly embodies the phrase "slow and steady wins the race," the sloth. These fascinating creatures are famous for their incredibly deliberate and unhurried movements. Their ultra-slow crawl is their defining characteristic. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, and their entire lifestyle is built around conserving energy. Their slow movement is a direct result of their very low metabolic rate, meaning their bodies burn energy at a much slower pace than most other mammals. They also have specialized, long curved claws that are perfect for gripping branches. These claws act like natural hooks, allowing them to hang effortlessly for hours, even while sleeping. They are perfectly adapted for their arboreal, upside-down world. When a sloth does decide to move, it's a truly unhurried affair. They slowly extend a limb, hook a claw onto a branch, and then painstakingly pull their body forward. Every movement is deliberate and takes its sweet time. This slow pace is perfectly suited for their lifestyle in the rainforest canopy. It helps them avoid detection by predators, as their movements are so gradual they often blend in with the swaying leaves. Being slow can actually be a great defense. Their ultra-slow crawl is not a sign of laziness, but a brilliant survival strategy. By moving slowly and conserving energy, sloths can thrive on a diet of low-nutrient leaves. It's a perfect example of how an animal's movement is perfectly tailored to its environment and diet. From the waddling penguin to the crawling sloth, the animal kingdom is full of incredible and sometimes hilarious ways of getting around. Each unique movement is a testament to nature's endless creativity and the amazing adaptations that help creatures survive and thrive.